In the realm of modern architecture, few names hold as much weight and influence as Ludwig Mies Van Der Rohe. Born in Germany in the late 19th century, Mies emerged from humble beginnings, crafting his architectural philosophy through hands-on experience and his natural inclination towards minimalism. As he grew in his career, he began to shape the very foundations of modern architecture, with iconic buildings like the Barcelona Pavilion and the Seagram building in New York. Mies was a maestro of simplicity. He always adhered to his philosophy of less is more. His designs, stripped back to their essential elements, showcase the raw beauty of modern materials like steel and glass, such as the Seagram building. His innovative approach not only transformed the way buildings were designed, but also how they interacted with their surroundings. Van der Rohe's minimalistic approach and innovative use of modern materials ushered in an era of architecture that still resonates today. The dawn of modern architecture, ushered in by Mies Van der Rohe's influence, was a turning point in our history. The era was a bold departure from traditional architectural forms. Instead, it embraced a fresh aesthetic driven by function and simplicity. Modern architecture was defined by its innovative use of new construction technologies and its break from ornamentation and its lean towards minimalism. Steel, glass, and reinforced concrete became the building blocks of a new architectural language. However, this revolution is not just about the materials and the aesthetics. It's a reflection of the seismic societal changes taking place at that time. This is a period of rapid industrialization, urbanization, and technological advancement. Architecture, like society, was evolving, and it did this by mirroring the ethos of the society at that time. This modernist era was shaped by visionaries like Mies Van Der Rohe, and it forever changed our perceptions of the space, form, and function relationship in architecture. Van der Rohe's iconic works, the Pavilion stands out, not just for its design, but also for its controversy. The German Pavilion for the 1929 International Exposition, this masterpiece was a bold embodiment of Van der Rohe's less is more philosophy. Its open plan and minimalistic aesthetics, defined by the use of luxurious materials such as travertine and onyx, and the absence of decorative elements, were a radical departure from traditional architecture. This innovative design, however, didn't sit well with everyone. The German government had envisioned a design that would encapsulate the robust industrial power and strength of Germany. Rohe's minimalistic approach was seen as a stark contrast to this vision, and this led to disagreements and a clash of ideas between the two. This disagreement eventually resulted in the pavilion being dismantled shortly after the exhibition, a move that sparked a flurry of debates in the architectural world. Yet it was this very controversy that heightened the pavilion's allure. The structure was eventually reconstructed in the 1980s, mirroring Van der Rohe's original design, and today stands as a symbol of 20th century modernist architecture. Despite the controversy, the pavilion remains one of Van der Rohe's most celebrated works, a testament to the enduring appeal of his architectural vision. The Barcelona Pavilion stands as a monument to the era of modern architecture. After being dismantled in 1930, it was reconstructed in the 1980s as a testament to its enduring influence. The rebirth was not a simple task. The challenge of reassembling Van der Rohe's masterpiece was a painstaking process, requiring precise attention to detail and a deep understanding of the original design principles. Now the pavilion serves as a museum, a place where visitors can immerse themselves in the world of modernist architecture. Each corner, each slab of marble, each reflective pool, now carefully preserved and maintained, offers a glimpse into the mind of Mies Van Der Rohe. The maintenance of the pavilion is a delicate balance of preservation and adaptation. Every effort is made to maintain the original design, whilst also ensuring that the structure remains relevant in contemporary architectural discourse. I was lucky enough to visit Barcelona Pavilion just a few months ago, and being in that space is incredible. It's difficult to grasp just how open this space feels without being in the space yourself. The arrangement of the walls and the way the light floods the space is quite unique. When you're in the space, it's clear that you're inside a building and you're inside an enclosed space. However, because of the way the design is so minimal and the natural light that fills the space, you definitely don't get lost in the fact that the outside world is almost attached to the interior spaces. The beauty of this building is the way it interacts with the external space without really interacting with it. You can definitely understand why there is controversy when it comes to modern architecture in this aspect and how it can be used for residential properties or design. Especially if you were to live in kind of the center of the city in a busy road, you would not want this kind of design. The brilliance of this building is not that it's just architecture or just a pavilion. It's the fact that it's an art piece as well as a piece of architecture. It's almost Mies Van Der Rohe's memoirs within a building. Thank you for watching. Like the video if you like the video, and comment and subscribe for more architectural content.